Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video.
Using these black beads, black flat beads. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and use a lot of these spacers just to get us started off. We're going to be using just different colors. Go ahead and stack it with some colors and see what we come out with. 4 colors. And then we'll go ahead and put that on there. So we will do another 4 colors. And we're just going to mix the colors up. We're not going to put them in any specific order. Just go ahead and beat them. 3. And let's see, how about this one? And we're going to grab a black bead. And I do like the way that looks, but then we need to do something different. And I'm going to put a spacer. Let's make it the same color. No, I don't want to do it in the same color. We'll do a green one on this side. And then what we're going to do is put the spacers back on. And then let's see what we get now. Because what I can do, and if we, let's see. Oh yeah, I like that with all the color on there like that, right? So if I do them, I'm going to hold the beads and I'm going to fold here the wire. Oh, let's see if you can see that. And then I'm going to take it, meaning the wire there, fold the wire back up that way. And then you can see what that looks like right there. And then I am going to just turn the wire up that way. And then this is what we will come out with. So it's a little off, but it's a little off, but I still like them. So let me do this. We're going to go ahead and put our ear wires. I'm going to probably wear these too because I like them. So we'll put our ear wire on. And then we'll put our second ear wire on.